I finally got my hands on the Siser Juliet, and in this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, walk you through what you actually need to know about the machine, and do a few test cuts so you can see some of the features in action. Siser sent me their Juliet cutter, and having been a user of their heat transfer vinyl since 2017 as my holy grail, I am so excited to finally try it out. One of the first things I noticed when unboxing this machine is the level of care Siser puts into their packaging. Everything looks really sleek and feels premium, and you can tell they thought behind every single detail. From how everything is laid out to how protected the machine is, it really feels intentional, like they cared about the entire unboxing and setup experience. Inside the box, everything you need to get started is included. You've got the machine, blades, cutting mat, power and USB cords, the marker adapter, and all the setup information so you're easily able to get up and running right away. The Juliet cuts materials up to 12 inches wide, which is perfect for almost any project. And if you're looking for a larger work area, Siser does have a bigger machine called the Romeo. Once it's out of the box, the build quality really stands out. It feels solid and well made without being bulky or overwhelming. The built-in LED light gives you a really clear view of your material while cutting, and that visibility ends up being more important than you'd expect. This machine also runs faster and quieter than what a lot of people are used to from other consumer vinyl cutters. If you're working from home, filming, or trying to limit distractions, that quieter operation makes a big difference. The Juliet gives you flexibility to switch between using a cutting mat or going matless, depending on the material you're working with. The adjustable pinch rollers help keep everything aligned, especially on longer cuts. Detail cuts are usually where I decide if I really like a cutter or not, and I've been really happy with how clean the fine details come out with this machine. The blade system is also easy to swap, which makes changing materials really simple. The Juliet runs on Leonardo Design Studio, and I love that you can create your own designs directly in the software. I added my own text, selected from the fonts on my computer, and then I went to the warp options that they have, and I chose the circle warp. You can also use designs from their built-in library if you don't want to start from scratch. It works wirelessly or with a USB connection, and it's compatible with both Mac and PC. Having the test cut right on the touchscreen makes styling in settings really quick and easy. Siser also offers a huge range of heat transfer vinyl options like easy weed, metal, puff, glitter, brick, and so much more. They also offer a roll holder which is sold separately, and it works really well for keeping vinyl feeding straight on longer cuts. For paper crafts, I'm using the light tack cutting mat, which is sold separately as well. It holds cardstock securely while cutting, but also helps prevent peeling or tearing when you remove it. I personally use my cutting machines for a lot of print and cut projects, and I've been really impressed with how the camera makes finding registration marks seamless. This machine is a great fit for crafters who want more precision and control, as well as small business owners who need consistent production-ready results. It also works really well for beginners who want a machine that supports learning, creativity, and growth over time without feeling limited. I'll be sharing more projects and material tests with this machine in future videos, so if that's something you're interested in, make sure you're subscribed. If you also found this video helpful, please be sure to like it. Thank you all so much for watching. I can't wait to see you next time. Until then, happy crafting.